You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation. British English and American English pronunciations are similar. How to pronounce in English? Hushed. Yes, what is interesting here is that the spelling has an ed at the end, but you do not pronounce either the e or the d, but rather you replace it with a t. Okay, just replace the ed at the end with a t, and you've got the pronunciation hushed. 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 Did you get this? Hushed. Let me know in the comments. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.